Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And guess what I have? Pleasant surprise is here. So yeah, I really liked this girl when she first came out, but I talked myself out of her. And then I guess a week or so ago, or I guess longer than that, I was surfing around. I went over to the Good Smile Company US site, and not only did they still have her, but she was on sale. They were having their springtime sale, and they had her and a number of other Blythe dolls, stock Blythe dolls, 20% off. And so yeah, I imbibed. Okay, so here is her super cute little box. It's got sort of a flowery motif there. Not sure really why. She's supposed to be like a little traveler, so the back of it kind of makes a little bit more sense to me. They've got this stamp here. I believe her release was in December of 2023, so that's kind of cute. And then this cute little Eiffel Tower. And yeah, so let's open her up. I'm not going to take her completely off out of her box on camera because I think that is boring. But I'll go ahead and slide her out here real quick, show you that part of it. Then off camera, I will take her out and then come back and show you all of her stock and goodies and take a closer look at the doll. I don't know how popular this doll was. Oh, there's her little, this goes on the stand if you like to keep those things. I don't, because I figured I would probably lose them. Okay. I don't keep boxes. I don't have room for boxes, but she's got this super cute little pants outfit with a jacket. Those look like some stockings. Those are some adorable, cute shoes. This cap is hilarious. And then, of course, a little briefcase, or a little suitcase, I mean. And I'm curious to see if this is like cardboard or what. And then her stand is a dark red color. And she's got some long, beautiful blonde hair. And yeah, so let me get her out of the box. I'll be right back and we can take a closer look at this super cute Blythe doll from Good Smile Company. Alright guys, here she is. She has some brown eye chips in the front. Oh, and that's right, her eyelids are brown. I love it when they do that. And so are her eyelashes. That's some of my favorite there. Alright, so side green. Ooh, beautiful blue. I don't know if you can see that. Those blue chips are gorgeous. And a side blue. So two color blues. The brown, you know what? There's none of that pink or orange eye chip stuff going on. How cool is that? And she's got plastic all over her. Let's pull out the hair. See how bad, see what the damage is. It's very greasy, but it's not frizzy or anything, so that's kind of nice. It doesn't look like it's got any kind of knots or anything going on. So it is a lot yellower than I imagined. I thought it was going to be darker. I like it. I still like it, but it's the color, hopefully you can see, is sort of like a lemony yellow. So yeah, so I'm going to bring out her stock. We'll take a look at that suitcase, okay? Very curious about that suitcase. We'll take a look at her stock. But off camera, I'm going to go ahead and pull off all this plastic that's off of her. Take this off. Look how cute that is. I love the stock. Yeah, definitely Good Smile has stepped it up with the My Darling dresses and stock clothing that they've been using with their dolls. Or I guess Junie Moon's to the designer. But yeah, let me take off the plastic, which means I have to take all her clothes off here. And I'm going to comb through her hair, bring out that little suitcase and her other stock so we can take a look. Those shoes, too, look really super cute. And I will be back, right back. All right, I got all the plastic off of her. I got all the stock out. And then I put her clothes back on. She is a really cute doll, I have to say. So, okay, the stock. Here are the socks and the shoes. And, you know, there's a little bit of effort to get those on, but not too bad. Actually, they fit pretty well. It's nice. Sometimes I've noticed they'll have issues with getting the socks and the shoes on at the same time. You know, like sometimes the socks are too thick. But these are a nice thickness. and they're super cute. So then we have the pants here. They Velcro in the front, and then the suspenders are actually little elastic. It's actual elastic. It's stretchy. And then she has this super cute little bow tie here. Here is the back of the suspenders. And oh, by the way, she actually has fingernail polish. Let's see if I can see that little pink fingernail polish there, which is unusual. I mean, because obviously she's girly. She's got all these ruffles and everything, but she's not like Lolita girly. So that's kind of interesting. All right, so let's look at. She's got this super adorable hat, and it's got these little faux leather buttons here and this little strap across, and it looks so cute on her. Let's see. I'll have pictures at the end, of course. I'll put a few pictures on so you can see. But yeah, it fits her really well. Let me see, make it straight. It fits her really well, and there's a lot you could do with it. You could, make it sideways and, jauntily make it a little to the side if you wanted. It's made out of a nice fabric. Again, it has a feeling of like it's textured, and then it's lined on the inside, so it's very well made, and it's got some structure to it. Her jacket is made out of the same fabric as the pants. It's got a couple of faux pockets, and it's a little detail in the back with a little kick pleat thing. Some faux buttons here, and then it's got snaps, 3 snaps. It's lined with really pretty striped lining, and of course it's got a little hang tag, or little tag here, little Good Smile Blythe. I'll put that on her for some pictures. She has this like dark red stain. It's almost close to, I would say, almost like a burgundy or like a red wine colored. And then of course here's her little suitcase, and it's not cardboard, okay? It's plastic, but it looks pretty nice. I mean, I think it's a good prop, and it opens and closes. So it's kind of cool. You could use it in photography. You could have her holding it, or well, her hand's not going to go around it, but you might be able to figure out a way to stick it on there. But definitely standing up next to her, it's a good prop. It's pretty. It doesn't feel cheapo, even though it's plastic. It's not cardboard, so I'm happy about that. I was concerned it would be something like cardboard or something. All right, so her hair, yes, her hair is pretty greasy. It is very greasy. It's very straight, except for there's some bends here, because of course that's where her hair was separated and the plastic was wrapped around it. So I will definitely be washing her hair. It's crazy greasy. This is it brushed out. I used a wire brush and also a comb, and it's still, I think you can even see how greasy it is. I mean, it feels greasy. Okay, so I will be using the new shampoo kit that I got recently, the new hair care kit I got. I did a video not too long ago where I showed the results of doing it on a midi doll she actually had dry hair. So now I have a doll with super greasy hair. By the way, here's a pull charm. And her bangs seem fine. Her bangs, yeah, I don't think her bangs are really too greasy. I think they're going to be okay, but you can see the back of her hair, and I want to kind of get that bend out if I can. So she'll be getting a spa, maybe not right away, but she'll be getting one. And yeah, I'm very happy, especially considering the fact that I got a discount on her. And what's nice about the Good Smile company is, since I'm in the United States, I don't have to, not only do I not have to wait 2 months or 2 weeks to a month to get a doll that I've ordered, the shipping's considerably less. So one of the last times I checked about a doll on Junie Moon, shipping came out to be $44. Shipping for her from Good Smile in the U.S. was $11. So it makes a big difference in the final cost of the doll. I really, really like her blue front-facing eye chips. I think they're like my favorite. And like I said, I really like that they have the brown eyeshadow and brown eyelashes. That's something I've been seeing on a couple of new dolls. Her eye chips, you know, her pull string. It's funny after you handle a lot of fake dolls and you have to be like really pull kind of hard on their pull string, and you get the real deal, and it's like barely touch it and it works. It's, huge difference. So anyway, yeah, I'm really happy with Pleasant Surprise. I'm glad she's here. I'll snap a few pictures of her, and I will do a follow-up video after I clean that hair up. We'll see how she looks, but I like her face up. I like her hair color. I love her stock. I like her total vibe. Super cute. Let me know what you think of this doll in the comments down below. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.